Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel Learn English with me. So today we will study the poem The Duck and Kangaroo of class 8th by Edward Lear. Let us begin the poem The Duck and the Kangaroo by Edward Lear. About the poet, about the poet, the British poet and painter known for his absurd wit, Edward Lear was born on May 12, 1812 and began his career as an artist at age 15. His father, a stockbroker of Danish origins, was sent to debtor's prison when Lear was 13 and the young Lear was forced to earn a living. Lear quickly gained recognition for his work and in 1832 was hired by the London Geological Society to execute illustrations of birds. In the same year, the Earl of Derby invited Lear to reside at his estate. Lear ended up staying on until 1836. Means this great poet, British great poet Mr. Edward Lear, he was forced to earn his livelihood at the age of you can say that 15 or 13 because his father was imprisoned by the debtor's prison, and due to that he had to do work, and when he was hired in 1832 by the London Geological Society, and at that time he had done the interpretations for the words, means he had done something very better for, you can say, the best for the words through that geological society. And at that time the Earl of Derby invited Lear to reside at his estate means the land or the property that is especially considered to that particular person, so that is called the estate. And Lear ended up staying on until 1836, means until 36 he stayed over there with the invitation of the Earl of Derby. So now the poem starts. Stanza wise explanation of the poem. So first stanza of the poem: said the duck to the kangaroo, good gracious, how you hop over the fields and the water too, as if you never would stop. So here the words good gracious, it means O kind God, O generous God, and hop means to you can say that bound or jumps. So said the duck to the kangaroo. So dear students, pay attention, that is very important line. Said the duck to the kangaroo, good gracious, O generous God, means he is saying to that the kangaroo, O generous, how you hop, means how you are hopping, how you are jumping over the fields and the water too, means you can jump, you can walk, you can enjoy both places, water and fields, as if you never would stop, as you are not going to stop during the time of on the land or into water. So such kind of the thing you can do, but I am unable to do so, that is said by the duck. Now word meaning that I have told you already. Good gracious means O kind God or generous. Hop means bound or jumps. Explanation of the stanza: the duck said to the kangaroo that he was surprised at his capacity to hop, means the duck said to the kangaroo that he was surprised, means he was very much surprised, he was very much shocked that how, or wondered that at his capacity to hop, means how the kangaroo was hopping, how the kangaroo was jumping. And kangaroo jumps as easily over the water as it does over the fields, means in the same way kangaroo is doing or jumping in the same way on the land or into the water, everywhere. Seeing a kangaroo hop one feels that he would never stop, and duck was feeling that kangaroo would not stop at all, because in such way kangaroo was hopping, the kangaroo was jumping over there. So that is the way in which kangaroo was jumping or hopping, that was seen by the duck, and due to that duck was also you can say that desired or wishing to do so. So here MCQ based on stanza. So question number first, who was it that couldn't hop? Option first, who was it that couldn't hop? Option A, the duck. B, the kangaroo. C, the frog. And D, some other animals. So here, which one is? That is one who could not hop. That is one who could not. Who was it that could not hop? That is a duck. So this is the correct one, the duck. Second question, the phrase good gracious here shows, it means, good gracious means option A, shock, option B, fear, option C, anger, option D, surprise. So which one is? That is surprise. Good gracious means surprise. This is correct. Third question, the one which moves easily over the fields and water too is, that is which one? First one, the duck. B option, the kangaroo. C, the deer. And D, the lion. So here is B option is correct. That is the kangaroo that can jump on fields and water too. Fourth question, the word gracious means. Gracious means option A, decent, option B, good looking, option C, kind, and option D, happy. So here gracious means kind. Gracious means kind. Now this is second stanza of the poem. My life is a bond in this nasty pond, and I long to go out in the world beyond. I wish I could hop like you, said the duck to the kangaroo. Here word meaning, nasty means dirty or giving bad smell. Beyond means far off, means far away, away from this particular place. My life is bond means has become burden. That has become burden. My life is a bond in this nasty pond, in this bad smelling pond. Who said this? This is said by the duck. Duck was feeling that his life has become like a hell in this pond, this bad smelling pond. And I long to go out in the world beyond. Beyond this pond, duck wants to go into the entire world and wants to enjoy the entire world's things, where everywhere he wants to go. I wish I could hop like you. And duck was also wishing to hop like you means to like a kangaroo. So that is why duck was saying everything to the kangaroo. Said the duck to the kangaroo. This was said by the duck to the kangaroo. So here explanation of the stanza. The duck said to the kangaroo that he led a dull life. Means the kangaroo was duck was living a very dull and very nervous life. That was meaningless. That was you can say that there is no joy in life of duck, because duck was especially living and doing each and everything into that nasty pond. He lived all the time in the dirty water. So the duck was living all the time in the same dirty water, and that was why there was no charm in the life of duck at all, and that is why duck was requiring such kind of the thing over there. So the duck desired to travel to the world beyond that pond, that he wants to desire to go beyond that pond and enjoy the entire world. He very much wished to hop like a kangaroo, and duck was very much wished or very much desired to hop, to jump like kangaroo into the entire world. And that was the wish, that was the desire, that was the ambition of the duck, to hop like a, or to jump like the kangaroo into the entire world. Now MCQs based on stanza. Question number first, the word my refers to, the word my refers to here that the duck, option A the duck, option B the kangaroo, option C the poet, and option D none of the above. So here my refers the duck, my refers the duck. Question number 2, I lives in, so here option number 1 the fields, B the water, C the air, and D a nest. I lives in where? The water. Lives in the water. That was said by the duck. So in that situation, that wants something better in his life. Now stanza number 3 of the poem The Duck and the Kangaroo. Please give me ride on your back, said the duck to the kangaroo. I would sit quite still and say nothing but quack the whole of the long day through. So through this stanza, the duck wants to tell, please give me ride on your back. Means ride on means to give me some place to sit on your back and to travel throughout the entire world. Means please give me ride on your back, said the duck to the kangaroo. So duck was saying to the kangaroo, please give me a ride on your back. I would sit quiet but still. Means quiet means very utterly. I sit over there peacefully and say nothing but quack. But only I will speak that quack, that is the sound that is made by the ducks. So that I will say only quack, and nothing else I will speak when I will ride on your back. That was said by the duck. The whole of the long day through, and throughout the whole long day, I would enjoy this riding on your back. If you please give me such kind of a chance to move from this place to another place. So here word meaning, quiet means utterly, still means motionless, quack means sound made by ducks. And you can see in this picture also, beside the word meaning, the duck and kangaroo are talking to each other in this picture. So this is the conversation that has been taken place between two ducks and the kangaroo. Now the explanation of the stanza. The duck requested the kangaroo to give him a ride on his back. That was the request of the duck to the kangaroo, to give him a ride on his back so that he can enjoy the entire world. He promised to sit very quiet. Duck promised to the kangaroo to sit very quiet, very peaceful on his back. He would not make any kind of the noise, chaos. He would say nothing but only quack. He would not say any kind of word over there. Only he will quack. Thus he would remain all through the long day. In such way, he will be along him, means along kangaroo, throughout the long day without making any kind of the sound, without making any kind of the chaos or noise over there. And that will enjoy the total ride along with the kangaroo. That was the wish, that was the desire of the kangaroo. So these are the MCQs based on stanza. Question number 1. The duck desired to. The duck desired to say duck. Option A. Option B, stay still. Option D, that has been B over here, so that you have to count D. Sorry, C. That is C. Okay. Here by mistake that has been done. So here option C, that is written over here. B, yeah, I can make it C also, like that. Okay, so this is the C. Ride on kangaroo's back, and D, say nothing. So here correct option is, that is C, ride on kangaroo's back. Question number 2. Quack is a sound made by option A, the duck, option B, the kangaroo, option C, a rider, option D, every animal. So here correct answer is quack. Quack sound is made by the duck. So this is correct. Option number 1. Question number 3. The word quiet means the same as option A, quiet, option B, silent, option C, utterly, option D, noisy. So here this correct option is C, that is utterly. So now, dear students, this is the first part of this poem, The Duck and the Kangaroo, and for the next video you have to like, share and subscribe my channel Learn English with me for the other notifications, and next part I will tell you in the next video. Thank you.